Hey, what's going on, everyone? IGTV, YouTube, welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with financial institutions, and how to get you access to high limits. A couple things before I do this credit card review. Just as a disclaimer, all of the financial institutions and different credit products that we cover on this channel are either through firsthand experience, you're personally going through and acquiring these accounts and just giving you feedback on the process and all the different considerations and just our perspective on, the particular credit product, as well as, I have clients who provide data points. That's I just wanted to sort of get that out there. I know there's a lot more popular cars and topics, which is all, fine and great, but, I definitely wanted to give you some insight on, perhaps some credit products that you probably don't see too many videos of or don't hear too much or just that don't get that much coverage. And that's kind of, yeah, of course, there's very popular common cars that a lot of people want to know about. But there's a ton of other videos on YouTube that cover those. So, we sort of want to go against the grain as far as just reviewing only the popular card and stuff like that. And again, like I said, it's all based on personal experience. So if I don't personally have any data points on the particular, card, or if I'm not currently working on that behind the scenes, that's just something that we're not going to review just because we don't have the frame of reference, either personally or from a client's perspective, to provide you insight. So with that said, I'm going to get into this video. We're covering the Reflex MasterCard, and so this is a rebuilding credit card issued through Continental Finance and underwritten by Celtic Bank. And so this is, I guess you could consider it a subprime. I'd rather refer to it as a rebuilding credit card. And so you can actually pre-qualify through the website, and I'll send a link for the website as well. But as of right now, December 30th, 2019, the website is current, or at least the application on the website is down because they're working on some back end, maintenance, revamping their website. So as of right now, you won't be able to pre-qualify for it. You'd have to wait. I think it should be back online pretty soon, but I'm not 100% sure as far as the timeline. I was able to get some clients in and get approved for the card before they took the site down for maintenance. But anyways, so yeah, one of the just going over some of the benefits, and then I'm going to get into some of the I guess disadvantages of the card. So one of the benefits is, of course, it's easy approval, so you can get it with a low credit score, rebuilding credit score, as well as, sometimes there are individuals who just recently filed for bankruptcy and they're unable to get approved for certain credit cards, because they have a public record bankruptcy. And then even banks have external databases that house information on, bankruptcy. So they'll run your SSN against that and, deny you for that. And so the Reflex MasterCard is one of the few options that I'm aware of where you could actually get accepted, even with a bankruptcy reporting. So whether it's reporting or not reporting on your credit profile, you can get in. I've had probably about 3 clients who fit into that, situation where they just their bankruptcy just recently got discharged and they're in the process of rebuilding and they were able to get approved. So another benefit is that they start at a minimum $500 credit limit, which is not a lot to really work with, but they do give periodic credit limit increases. Some of my clients started off with $750 as well as $1,000 credit limits. And so one of the, I guess, the disadvantages of the card is it does come with a $75 annual fee. And so before you even get the card, they deduct the annual fee right off the top. So let's say if you got approved for 1,000, the initial available credit's only going to be 925. But once you clear the balance, then it'll be $1,000. But they basically charge you that $75 annual fee up front. They take it right out of the available credit. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. But if you do fit in this situation, although it does come with the annual fee, when you're rebuilding, it's not really about the fee. I mean, that's just the cost of rebuilding your credit. To establish a credit account in your name. And then eventually, if you show good payment history with the Reflex MasterCard, then other better opportunities will present themselves. So as far as an account that you can open, like once you're restarting from a bankruptcy, I would definitely recommend the Reflex MasterCard. Again, as of right now, December 30th, 2019, the application is currently undergoing some maintenance. So we'll provide a link. Just know that it might be a couple days or a couple weeks before it's back up. So just take that into consideration. But yeah, overall, definitely recommend it from us. That's all we wanted to cover for this video. And again, that's the Reflex MasterCard. Bad credit, fair credit, good credit, okay. Bankruptcy's okay. So yeah, that's all we wanted to share for this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and follow. And if you're interested in how to build primary accounts, visit our website at www.creditplug.com to enroll in our primary account builder program, where we teach you one-on-one how to build out primary accounts for both personal and business credit. You could also email us at info@creditplug.com if you have any general questions. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon.